Hey there, this is Manny, the founder of Blue, and today we're going to cover how reference and lookup fields work. So I have two sample projects here. One is a project to track the orders, and another is a customer database. So the key thing that we want to achieve is to get the customer information shown inside of each order so we can link a customer to an order. Now, the advantage of using reference and lookups is that if you ever change the information of a customer, this is updated across all the orders where that customer is linked to, instead of manually typing it in by creating custom fields in this project, because it means that you have to go back and edit every instance of that customer. So the way that works is we go to Manage Fields, we'll add a new field, we'll simply call this Customer, and we'll choose the type reference, and then we choose the customer's project. That's what we're going to reference. There is also this option for allowing referencing multiple records. In this case, we will leave this off because only one customer is linked to a single order. I'll click Add, and now you can see that we have this field called Customer. I can click in, and then I can select a customer from our database. So all the records here are what are in the customer database, these 4 customers. But now you can see in our data structure, in our customers database, that we have additional information such as email, phone number, country, and location. It would be great to also have this information show up in each order, so then you can quickly email a customer or perhaps call them. So the way we do that is by using lookup fields. These are called lookup because they look up data from a reference record. So if we go here to order number 4, we can choose Jane Smith as our customer, and then we can add some additional fields to our orders project. So let's start with phone number, and then we'll choose the type lookup field, and then we need to link this to a specific reference field. Now, because we only have one in this project, it's automatically selected, and that's the customer reference field. And then we can choose the type of lookup. We have a lot of default options here, and then we can also click on custom fields and pick a specific custom field. In this case, we will pick phone number. So what's happened here, essentially, is that in our orders project, if I switch to database view, you can see that we've created a new column, phone number, that's automatically picking up data from the customer's database. And the customer is Anna Johnson. We can see that this ends in 999444. So if we go to Anna Johnson here, if we change this phone number to 333, we can then see that it's automatically updated in our orders project as well. So now Anna Johnson's phone number ends in 333. So this is a basic overview of reference and lookup fields. They're an excellent way to connect your data across projects in Blue and to stop you from having to retype information over and over again. Thank you very much.